Top 5 Best 9-inch Band Saw. Number 5. LeuMuas 9-inch Benchtop Band Saw. LeuMuas 9-inch Benchtop Band Saw packs impressive features, making it a great choice for woodworking projects. Equipped with a 3-amp motor running at 1750 RPM and a 2500 FPM blade speed, it delivers quieter and smoother cuts. Its upgraded 360 degrees flexible work light offers optimal illumination, reducing shadows to enhance precision. The cutting depth maxes out at 3.5 inch, with a cutting width of 9 3/4 inch. Blade size is 59.5 inch, with widths ranging from 1/8 to 3/8 inch. The cast aluminum table tilts up to 45 degrees, allowing for various cutting angles, and the saw also includes a 120 degrees miter gauge and rip fence for accurate cuts. Dual safety switches and a steel base enhance safety and stability, while a dust extraction port and wheel brush reduce dust, keeping your workspace cleaner. The LeuMuas Band Saw stands out for its balance of power, safety features, and user-friendly design, making it a solid choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Coming in number 4, Ryobi BS904G Band Saw. Ryobi BS904G Band Saw, although refurbished, delivers dependable performance for woodworking tasks. Powered by a 2.5-amp motor, this bandsaw includes a blade tracking window for enhanced accuracy and a rack and pinion adjustment system for better support. What stands out about the Ryobi BS904G is its dust collection system and reduced vibration compared to other band saws. This feature is highly praised for contributing to a smoother operation and a cleaner work environment. Despite being a lighter tool, it's perfect for DIYers and hobbyists. Users have appreciated its performance for projects like pine derby cars, where precision cutting is necessary. While it's not meant for heavy-duty tasks, it's a valuable option for light to moderate woodworking needs. Coming in number 3, WoodSkill 9-inch Band Saw. WoodSkill 9-inch Band Saw offers powerful performance with its 2500 FPM blade speed and a motor running at 1720 RPM. It boasts a maximum cutting depth of 3.5 inch and a 9-inch cutting width. With a blade size of 59.5 inch and width ranging from 1/8 to 3/8 inch, it can handle different types of wood and soft metals. The cast aluminum table tilts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, and it includes a rip fence for straight cuts and a 120 degrees miter gauge for angled cuts. The saw is designed for stability, featuring a sturdy steel base that minimizes vibration. Dust management is enhanced by a 2.5 inch dust port and a dust brush for the saw wheel, helping keep your workspace cleaner. It's an excellent option for users seeking accuracy, multi-angle cutting, and reliability. Coming in number 2, Skil BW95500 Benchtop Band Saw. Skil 9-inch Band Saw is powered by a 2.8-amp induction motor, enabling you to cut through a variety of wood materials. Its 2-speed drive system and tool-free belt tensioning make it versatile for different cutting needs. The precision ball bearings and lower blade guides ensure accurate cutting, making it a reliable tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Its rack and pinion table adjustments allow for quick angle changes, and the miter gauge assists with crosscuts. Dust management is a breeze thanks to its 2.5 inch dust port, compatible with standard vacuum hoses, ensuring a clean workspace. The steel base provides stability during cuts, while the blade tracking sight window improves cutting accuracy. With a mix of power, precision, and convenience, the Skil BW95500 is ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Coming in number 1, Wen BA3959 9-inch Band Saw. The Wen 9-inch Benchtop Band Saw delivers precision with cuts up to 3.5 inch deep and 9 inches wide. Powered by a 2.8-amp motor, it runs at a speed of 2,500 feet per minute. The blade size is 59.5 inch, and it supports blades between 1/8 and 3/8 inch, allowing for detailed or powerful cuts. The large worktable, measuring 12 1/4 by 11 7/8 inch, can be tilted up to 45 degrees for angled cuts. A miter gauge, 2.5 inch dust port, and fence come with the package, ensuring cleaner, more accurate cuts. The adjustable blade guard and ball bearing supports extend the saw's lifespan by reducing friction. The Wen BA3959 is reliable, versatile, and perfect for anyone looking for dependable performance at a reasonable price.